Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z5912B. 94,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blue granite metallic in color. This Silverado seat 6, cloth interior. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. Matching fiberglass cap. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. Along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Heavy-duty trailering package. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, integrated trailer brake control, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Dual zone automatic temperature control and power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for middle passenger with even more storage below. Speaking of storage, dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. That's where the backup camera display is. Along with HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 315 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5912B to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.